Hi, this is Bob Johnson Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. So today we have a reoccurring question from a few of our subscribers: how to access and replace the battery in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-54. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. There's a release switch right here in the center that you need to pull down, and while you're pulling that down, you can slide the battery right out. And slide your replacement back in. And that's it. Nice and simple, no screws, just flip it back over and you're all done. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.